How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect router to router in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, first things first, I'm going to add this simple routers right here. And of course, let's also add some switches. Now, it's not important, but in order to connect it to your computers or devices, you just want to make sure that you have switches. So from here, we are going to connect our router to our gigabit 00 to our first switch. Same thing with the other one. And then you want to connect the second gigabit port onto the next router. So from there, it's as simple as typing in the right IP addresses. In my case, I'm going to use something like 192.168.1.1. Once again, you could just set this to whatever you want to, but generally, if you're doing it, you have to do it easy. And for the second one, since we have priced it or set it to .1.1, we could just do the same thing, 192.168.1, but this time you want to change the other end with something like 2 or any other value right here. But by the way, just also make sure to turn each ports on. And now for the gigabit Ethernet 0.1, let's just do the same thing where we set up 192.168.2.1. So the only difference is this 2 before 1. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can ping in Packet Tracer. Now, it is extremely simple to do this, but of course, let's add our devices first. And then we are going to use this copper straight connection. But of course, before you do this, just make sure that everything is set up on your IP addresses because we need that in order to ping other devices. So with this one, let's configure the IP address by aligning it with our router. So basically, it's going to be 0.5.1. And basically from here, let's apply it on the fast Ethernet 192.168.5.2. Hit on enter, and then do the same thing for the other computer. Once again, you really need to know about the IP addresses in order for this to work. And let's try to ping this one. So just copy the IP address, navigate through the device where you want to start pinging, click desktop, click on command prompt, and you could just type the following, which is ping space the IP address itself. Now, if you cannot see it on your system setting, just hit on the Alt Tab button and you will be able to see it right here. But if you really can view it, and for the second one, it's going to be exactly the same, 192.168.5.3. And now to actually ping the device, click on your computer, click on command prompt, and you can just type ping space the IP address. So in my case, it's going to be 192.168.5.3. Click hit on enter, and then it will simply show up right here. Unfortunately, I have typed 2 ping commands, so it didn't actually work. Let's try it again. 192.168.5.3. Hit on enter, and then it should show up like this. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will confirm you with the pin or with the ping. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.